Okay, there's plenty of opportunities to trade in the market. What kind of guidelines do you use to figure out what opportunities you're going to take advantage of? So let's
Okay.
say, do you have like a checklist for how you want to get into an option trade? Does it have to meet a certain parameter?
Yeah. For an options trade, just like any just like a stock, I want a name that has liquid options. I don't want anything where I could get in, but the spreads are so wide that if I have to come out, I know I'm going to be losing, even though the move met my objective.
Right.
Just because there's no volume, there's nothing there for to pick up my offer. That's on the options front. Now, in terms of trading parameters, a lot of it depends, and this one I learned the hard way too. At the type of market we're in, you could tell. I mean, from October, maybe late October, November into April, even mid May, markets were trending. So you try to pick directions. Fortunately, they were the right directions, and structure your trades that way. Now we get into, we're semi-trending down, but I would say we're still in the larger chop zone in the greater indices, and you have to trade it a little differently. And I learned this the hard way in 2010 because after a trend, we could chop. You could have V patterns immediately after an end of a trend, but most likely after a trend, you stay range bound for a bit before picking a direction, whether it's reversing up or it's going to continue all the way down. And trading in a range, a lot of traders, including myself when I first started, has a hard time with this because a lot of traders tend to be trend oriented and don't know how to trade or don't know how to trade well in a range bound environment. Now, with options, there's so many tools that I could use to trade a range. Iron condors, spreads, butterfly taking advantage of volatility. So it all depends on the market structure that we're in right now.